Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Also, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's see what we are going to be expecting for the week on our goal. So once again, guys, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Now take a look at this gold right here. So first thing first, we need to know the trend. If you had actually followed the analysis we did last week and yesterday, right? I told you guys clearly that gold is going to give us a bearish move. This is it right here. Gold what opened and closed bearish. So guess what? Markets moved exactly how we predicted it to. So this is to tell you that 90% or about 90 to 95% of our analysis is absolutely correct. So gold literally gave us that bearish move. Now take a look at it right here. Market was around this level right here, where I said that market has already tapped the 10-period simple moving average. Then you should what expecting a drop that will come to take out this low. And this is what market did. Market gave us that bearish move. So you can see that our analysis, 90% of our analysis on absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. Now let's start with our high-end trend. For us to be able to predict what market will be doing for us for the week, we need to know what the trend is. Can you see it right here? We are in a downtrend move. So 3 weeks ago, markets opened and closed bearish, right? Last week, which is 2 weeks ago, markets opened and closed bearish, and this is last week, right? That just finished. Markets also opened and closed bearish. Now, this week that we are predicting for, we will be expecting gold to also open and what? It should also open and close bearish. So, guys, this week, whatever you want to be doing on your gold, you should be anticipating for a bearish move on your gold. So, guys, whatever you want to be doing on gold, be anticipating for a bearish. Now, let's go down to daily time frame right here. So, if you take a look at it back to back, right? So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. This is day 8. So for good 8 days, straight 8 days, gold has literally opened and closed bearish. So basically, gold has been giving us a bearish move. So this is to tell you that this is a strong bearish move. Gold is still very much strong to the downside. So this is one of the reasons why I said for the weekly time frame, we should be expecting gold to actually give us a bearish move. Now back to our daily time frame, you can clearly see it right here. We are also what in the downtrend. So gold is literally trending to the downside. Now let's go down to our 4-hour time frame, guys. Now this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see that market is giving us a series of lower low and lower high. So what I'm trying to say is that whatever you want to be doing on your gold, right? You should be anticipating for a sell. You should be going in for the sell. Whatever you want to be doing on your gold, going in for the sell. Look for your sell setup. That is what you should be looking out for. Sell setup is what you should be looking. Now, guys, take a look at our 4-hour time frame. This is our low. Here comes the lower high. This is what? The lower low. Here comes the lower high. This is also what? The lower low. And here comes the lower high. Now, this is what? The lower low. And here comes what? Lower high. After now that this lower high has been made, I came to tap our 10-period simple average. This is another drop that what formed a lower low. So guys, with what market is doing right here, lower high will most likely go to play out next. After the lower high, guess what will happen next? Another drop that will form in lower low. So guys, a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting on gold. So if you are not yet in the sell, make sure you go in for the sell. Now, if there is going to be any changes, as there's a possibility that there will be changes to this moment, if there's going to be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.